Hey there! My name is Krystal and I'm a leasing and marketing assistant here with Waterloo. We recently got to check out some of the completed units and they look so great that I just had to show you guys. Let's check out my favorite unit, the Joule. Come on! This is your entranceway, and the first thing I immediately notice is the deadbolt and the electronic fob lock that'll get you into the building, your unit, and your personalized bedroom. This is the bedroom, and it's going to come with a full-size bed, enough space for a desk and chair, and these beautiful floor-to-ceiling windows that'll let in a ton of natural light. In this unit, every room's going to come with a 3-speed ceiling fan, these hardwood floors to make cleanup so easy, and these spacious closets to fit your entire wardrobe. Coming out of the bedroom, you'll have your first bathroom on the right. You'll also have your brand new full-size washer and dryer that are Wi-Fi compatible. Walking down this hallway, you'll have your bedrooms to the right and bathrooms to the left. And as you can see, you have a ton of wall space to hang some personalized art and really make this place your own. Every bathroom in the Joule is going to come with this large countertop sink and enough storage underneath to keep your bathroom neat and tidy. You'll also have this beautiful large stand-up shower with a shelf in it to hold anything you might need. Right across from the last bedroom, you'll have your beautiful and spacious kitchen. You'll have white quartz countertops on your island and counter. You'll also have a stainless steel oven, stove, microwave, dishwasher, and fridge. And your fridge comes with an ice and water dispenser, so you can finally get rid of that Brita. Something I personally love about this unit is that the storage in here is actually meant for a 4x4. You have tons of cabinet space to fit all your food, snacks, and dishes. I mean, look at this huge pantry. I just love the open concept of this apartment. You can go straight from your kitchen to your living room and not miss a minute. You'll have a couch and chair with enough seating to fit you and all your roommates, and a mounted 65-inch TV. Something else I really love about this unit is that there's plugs everywhere, so you can charge at any moment of the day. But I must say, my favorite part are the floor-to-ceiling windows that give you an amazing view of downtown. They come with adjustable shades, so you can let in as much or as little light as you want. Thank you so much for taking this tour with me, and I hope you love the Joule just as much as I do. If you have any questions, feel free to come see me at the Waterloo Leasing office. And remember, be the best you at Waterloo.